I've been talking about the fact that I expect an AI digestion phase in 2025 since probably mid-year. And there have been a lot of data points along that way, where if you think about it, Microsoft, which has the 49% economic interest in OpenAI, when they reported their June quarter, they guided revenues below the street for the September quarter. Then they reported the September quarter, they guided revenues below the street for the December quarter. And then when Microsoft's CEO was asked in December, are you supply constrained? He said, well, I'm power constrained, but I'm not chip supply constrained. So, and then you had Ilya Sutskever, founder of OpenAI, saying back in November, I think, that we've already trained on all the data on the internet. So training scaling is basically dead. So you've had a lot of data points leading up to this point, and I don't think there's any chance that NVIDIA, and I've said this before, does revenues up 50% this year, because whether it's Microsoft cutting back on CapEx, because don't forget, they said they're going to spend $80 billion this fiscal year. Well, if you do the math, they spent $20 billion in September. They said that's up in December. Their fiscal year ends in June, which means the first half of 2025, CapEx spending is down from the back half of 2024, and it's been growing at 70 to 80% for a year and a half. That's a very big change when the largest spender on AI is going from growing 70 to 80% to not growing at all.